Man, so the one we're catching today, this one's ES161. Now, the funny thing with this thing, yeah, it replaced another bus, yeah, that crashed on delivery. Can you imagine that? You're delivering a bus and you can't even fucking firm it. That is actually jokes, man. Alright. My man, yeah, was definitely doing that job with one eye open, bro, and one hand on the steering wheel for that to happen. How do you manage that? I don't even remember the last time that's happened, where a bus goes on accident on delivery. Now get this, yeah, what happens, yeah, is that bus that crashed on delivery, yeah, they fixed it up, yeah, and they're sending it elsewhere to Dublin, and then they're building a whole new one to replace that for London. That is so long, man. Why couldn't you just make a whole new one for Dublin separately and then just fix up the one that crashed on the way? But I mean, it is kind of spicing up the, the history. So the history of these Electrolines. So I can't really complain at the end of the day. But I want to see the reason why I've came out for this one, yeah, is because I want to see if there's anything different on it to the previous batch of street decks that Arriva just got. So obviously this is the only 25 plate Electroliner that Arriva have right now. It's the only 25 plate one. So that's interesting, isn't it? I mean, it's just a plate, it's just a plate, to be fair, but like, it's still like cool. Cause and don't forget, Arriva also ordering another whole batch of Electroliners for the 217. So we'll see what plate those become, 75s or 26s. I don't think they're gonna be that late, to the point that they're literal 26s. I don't think they'll be that late. I think they'll be at least 75 plates. But apparently there's word that Arriva are gonna no. Before I make any false speculation, yeah, I remember now, I was told by someone, I hope that when Arriva get it, someone told me that they hope when Arriva get it, the first few days, yeah, when they get temporary buses and that, they're hoping it's gonna be like teas or something. Disgusting. Right, when is this thing coming in? Because man looked on LVF, and it was talking about 1918. It's fucking... Oh yeah, it's not even 1918 yet. I need to pipe down, bro. That is beautiful. Bro, why am I smelling like some fucking smoky, fiery substance around this bit? I don't know what it is. Okay, there's the thing, yep. Okay. So it's got the Vision Zero front. I haven't really cooked anything different from the rest of the lot. Right. Let's inspect this thing. There's bound to be some type of difference or another on this thing compared to the previous batch of what was it again, 24 plates that Arriva just ordered for like 14 new fruits, 50, 194. There's got to be a difference between this to them. Come on. Thank you. CCTV ain't working already.